So you're asking, why is he walking along with a wagon to demonstrate cool fire starters? These guys from FireFlame, they are fire starters. It is a pack of 20. So I do have to tell you, they provided them to me to do this video, but we are doing it right. In here, I have a fire pit. I have a whole pile of wet firewood because it poured last night and I had it left out. And so we're gonna set it up here next to the beautiful pond, and tonight when it's dark out, we're going to come back, hopefully set it on fire and enjoy some fishing tonight. Let me show you how I'm setting it up, and then we'll come back when it's nighttime so you can see if it actually worked. All right, one fire pit. Okay, so we got fire starter, relatively wet firewood. So this is what the packets look like. They're supposed to burn for about 10 minutes at like 750 degrees. So I'm going to actually, it recommends 1 to 2 for a campfire, but I'm going to go with 3 because really this sat out all last night in the rain. All right, this is really creepy looking. Ooh, spooky, but it is perfect night for a fire. Let's light it up, see how it goes with these fire starters. See how it moved a little bit, but okay. Let's go here. See how easy first they are to start the fire starter. Okay, that one nice and easy. Let's try this one. Woo, they go. Look at that. All right, this is going to be a much shorter video than I planned. Look at that. That's 2 of them. I actually never used the third. You can even see it's all coming up over there. That is absolutely fabulous. Like, there's no answer other than these things are ridiculously cool. So I'm going to give that a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking for fire starters, this is awesome. All right, catch you next time.